Also, I think, let's say you're like doing something at work, you're working on a project. I think in the future we'll have AI coworkers. Those people won't even, they're not even people. They wouldn't be able to be embodied.
Tech giants like Mark Zuckerberg predict that in the future, millions of white-collar workers will be replaced. But he's not the only one with such a vision.
The nature of employment is going to change.
All repetitive human work that doesn't require the deep emotional connection between two people. That will all be done in the next couple of decades. Better, cheaper, faster by AI.
In recent decades, the advancement of artificial intelligence has been impressive. From manufacturing workers to tech workers, AI has begun to replace jobs across various sectors.
The AI revolution making such a difference for so many companies.
Amazon, Alphabet, Meta have all cut double-digit percentages of their workforce.
The impact that AI is having on the financial industry.
While in its early years, AI was limited to simple tasks, today it is capable of performing a wide range of functions, even those performed by white-collar workers.
After massive waves of tech layoffs, employees may have thought their jobs were a little safer. That might not be the case.
Larger group, quote, of white-collar workers are being fired because UPS is now testing artificial intelligence and machine learning tools, ramping up its use of both across enterprise.
These jobs, which have traditionally been performed by people with higher education and are primarily office-based, are being eliminated due to the rise of AI.
JP Morgan's Jamie Dimon telling Bloomberg that the benefits of AI are huge, but warning that some workers could lose their jobs to it.
This phenomenon has raised concerns about the erosion of the middle class and the future of work, as automation and AI are deeply altering labor structures worldwide. So, how is artificial intelligence taking over white-collar jobs? White-collar jobs, which include administrative, legal, financial, and creative activities, are seeing AI take on an increasingly prominent role. According to Goldman Sachs, nearly 40% of all professions could be affected by AI. While AI has been implemented in sectors like manufacturing for years, its entry into offices and tasks that involve critical thinking was once thought to be impossible, until now.
Troubling increase in businesses and companies opting to cut back human tasks in favor of technology.
AI tools, such as generative systems and machine learning platforms, are changing the way work is done in offices, directly affecting the daily tasks that were previously carried out exclusively by humans. One of the ways AI is replacing human tasks is through automation. According to Goldman Sachs, it is estimated that 25% of all jobs in the United States could be automated using AI. This percentage is primarily concentrated in white-collar jobs involving repetitive tasks and information processing. For example, AI can perform tasks such as drafting emails, creating financial reports, or preparing presentations, tasks that traditionally required human time and intellectual effort. Tools like ChatGPT are capable of writing full articles, generating marketing ideas, or even drafting scripts for movies. These capabilities are beginning to replace workers in creative industries and the corporate world. Around 23.5% of companies in the U.S. report having replaced writers with ChatGPT.
Google unveiling long-awaited new details about its large language model Gemini.
Claude 3, it is arguably now one of the most powerful AI models out there, if not the most powerful.
Preview, if you will, for us ChatGPT 5.
I expect it to be a significant leap forward.
Automated content generators like Midjourney are becoming more popular, allowing companies to reduce costs and increase efficiency in material production. For example, a company that used to create advertising materials turned to generative AI to produce product images and visual ads. The production cost using AI was about 10 times lower than traditional methods. A survey by Resume Builder revealed that 1 in 4 employers claimed to have saved at least $75,000 using AI instead of hiring staff. This type of efficiency has led companies to invest heavily in AI technology to cut costs and increase productivity, triggering a wave of layoffs in companies that can no longer justify hiring staff for tasks that can now be performed by machines. As AI is implemented in more sectors, its effects on employment are becoming increasingly evident. The automation of repetitive tasks in white-collar jobs is not only affecting positions in sectors like customer service or accounting, but also more specialized roles in fields like law and medicine. According to the Inter-American Development Bank, up to 43 million jobs in the United States and 16 million in Mexico could be affected by AI in the short term. This number could rise to 60 million in the US and 22 million in Mexico over the next 5 years, reflecting a rapidly transforming job market. Jobs at the greatest risk of being replaced by AI are those that involve routine and predictable activities. For example, administrative roles like executive assistants and support staff in tech companies are being displaced by automated systems that can organize calendars, respond to emails, or manage customer data.
We all get too many emails. But Google just announced a new feature called Smart Compose that'll hopefully make it a little bit more efficient and fun to send them.
This transformation has raised concerns about the middle class's ability to adapt to these changes, as much of this sector depends on white-collar jobs that are now being automated. However, the implementation of AI does not necessarily mean a total elimination of jobs. In some sectors, AI can help improve human productivity by taking on repetitive tasks, allowing workers to focus on more strategic and creative aspects of their work. Additionally, automation may also create new job opportunities in sectors related to the creation, oversight, and maintenance of AI systems. For example, a report from the World Economic Forum estimated that despite the elimination of certain jobs, AI will generate 170 million new jobs in the next 5 years. The key to this growth lies in the need for highly skilled workers who can design, implement, and manage AI solutions. This implies that while some jobs will disappear, there will be an increasing demand for professionals with skills in technology and programming. A relevant example of resistance to the integration of AI in white-collar work occurred in the entertainment industry, specifically with the writers' strike in Hollywood.
More than 11,000 Hollywood film and TV writers are on strike. This isn't the first time a major writers' strike has put Hollywood on the brink of a full production shutdown. But this could be the first one in which artificial intelligence plays a big role.
The Writers Guild of America expressed concerns about how studios were using AI to create scripts, minimizing the need for human writers. Negotiations between the writers and the studios made it clear that workers in the creative sector are afraid that AI will replace their role as content creators. Although studios have expressed their commitment to discussing the use of AI in their processes, the writers' fear is that the automation of content creation will deprive them of their jobs, and that the industry will focus on a cheaper and less human production model. The strike reflected how technological advances are affecting not only manufacturing jobs, but also those traditionally considered immune to automation. The integration of AI in the workplace presents both challenges and opportunities. Companies face the difficult task of balancing the efficiency that AI offers with the need to maintain a work environment that values human contributions. While automation can be a relief for tedious tasks, human interaction remains essential in many jobs that require critical judgment, empathy, or creativity. The implementation of AI has also sparked an important debate about its impact on labor equity. People who do not have access to the proper training and education to adapt to these changes risk being left behind in an increasingly automated labor market. Therefore, it is crucial that governments and businesses work together to provide training and retraining for employees who will be displaced by AI.
At Economy Media, your opinion matters to us. Subscribe and let us know what you think in the comments below.